Don't make me laugh. Now I gotta cut that out. I'm shy. Stop. My husband's making fun of me. Stop looking at me. So it's still raining outside, so I'm just folding some laundry while my husband stares at me from across the room. This isn't folded. Ooh, ding dongs. You're supposed to be embarrassed. I put your underwear on YouTube.
Alright. You promise?
You promise. So I've decided I'm gonna make some homemade bread. So my mother-in-law just put this on her grocery order. Bob's Red Mill Unbleached Enriched Artisan Bread Flour. So I'm gonna give this a shot today instead of regular white flour. Also an entire thing of active dry yeast. That way I can keep making bread continuously instead of using little packets all the time. So last time I tried to make bread, I totally murdered the yeast because I did boiling water and let it cool down just a little bit, but not long enough, and it literally barely rose. So this time I'm just gonna do some warm water and put it in a little cup and then measure out the yeast and I guess let it bubble is what you're supposed to do. So we're gonna try that instead and see how much better it is this time. So the bread recipe that I'm using calls for 5 cups of flour, but we're gonna do 4 and then add the 5 later. So I heated up the water in this instant kettle, but I'm just gonna let it sit here for a second because I don't want to boil it again like I did last time. Maybe don't use the instant kettle because it seems like I keep making the water too hot every time. Okay, so it calls for 2 cups of warm water and I'm gonna put it in this cup and then add the yeast to it. That way the yeast, I can make sure that it's activating. It looks good. This is like high quality stuff. Alright, now we're gonna add our last cup of flour, and I guess we're gonna add it in increments. I'm gonna get a spoon. You ready for fresh bread? She's clapping. Okay, this looks good. Yeah, this is ready. Alright, Alright, so I made it into a ball, and then I wet this towel with hot water. So we're just gonna cover it with the damp towel for about half an hour until it's about double in size, so we'll come back and check on it.